Hey, bunch of peeps, how you doing today? Well, I'm down at Drumheller, down by the river. The water looks really clean, guys. You can see the bottom. It's a very nice day. Lots of clouds. Simpson clouds in Drumheller. All right, smash those likes, share this. Guys, the Queen has died. So we know what comes next. Anyways, you can Google it yourself. Go check it out. Having a fantastic day, and enjoying the nice weather, and bringing up that love vibration. That's for sure. Bringing up that love vibration, guys. Cryptos are down. No surprise there. Preparing myself for the crash of the dollar. The monetary system going bye-bye. I'm gonna say I told you so. Come on, Carly. Come on, girl. Let's go. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. You ready to go? Yeah. All right. I gotta go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.